we are. Yay! We're pumping up the tires. Say good morning. Yay! Everybody say hi to the camera. Oh, hello, hello.
Can't stop moving, it's too fun to sway. I'm picky, I'm choosing to do things my way. Go with the flow, put on a show, kill it. Living my life, I'm on a high, feel it. I'm so fly, I'm doing my best moves today. Then losing track of my feet, yeah. Everyone else.
Counter for the man to pour the coffee, and he fills it only half.
Bust it up, let's go North Americans. Are you planning it? I didn't mean to interrupt. Sorry, I did it once, and my parents got a video. Push it down on me, press it down on you, no man has fallen.
Unbound gravel ride. Who knew? Oh, geez. First time I ever rode a Century. Gosh, I was 18, in between my senior high school, freshman college. I think it was in like West Virginia. And it was weather like this, which was actually really nice to ride in because it cools you off as you ride. I'd much rather ride in this than hot, sweaty, humid, pouring sweat.
All right.
Let's go. Just took a turn because my watch told me to. There weren't any signs, so that's fancy. So hopefully my watch is taking me back to the start.
Gangsters, bitches in y'all be